So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Tesha, and today, as you can see, I have a DHL package from Japan, straight from Japan. I ordered this off eBay last Friday, and today is Wednesday, so it took about 3 business days to arrive. And now let's open this up. I'm super excited to share it with you. If you are a fan of, like me, a fan of something like this, I will, for sure, I'm recommending it for you. Of course, as usual, I need to clean my hands, okay, before opening this. Okay, let's open this up together, guys. I'm so excited about this. See, very excited for this. This is my second order with this seller of eBay. It was, the first one was very smooth transaction. They will, this is not sponsored. I would just like to share it with you if you want to get some deal, you know. So this is the paper. So I got it. I got this. Can you read it? That, and then this is the price that I paid. Okay. This is the eBay seller. Okay, so based on my first experience, it was nice, and this is my second purchase to them this month. Okay, so yeah, it is like this. Last time that I got, they put a pouch like the jewelry pouch. Now it's not, they don't have pouch, only this paper and pouch. Last time they gave me a cute pouch. It was a fabric pouch. It's very cute, but now it's just in the bag, meaning in the plastic bag, plastic wrapping, and with this. So it's not consistent. I must say it's not consistent to them to do that. I don't know why, but this is the ones that I got. This is a Akoya Japanese pearl. This is natural pearl, real pearl. The first ones that I got was also a necklace pearl, which is smaller than what I got. This one is bigger. This online, it says on their listing, it's about 8.1 to 8.4 millimeter, the size of the pearl. And the pearl looks pretty, guys. I would say that it's really pretty, and this is how it looks. This is pre-owned or second-hand goods or pre-loved goods. The ones that I got, the first ones, I will show it also to you once I done with my unboxing videos. I mean, yeah, I have a lot of unboxing videos, as you know me and you know my channel. So my favorite ones is unboxing. Of course, I also love the shop with me videos, but this is just to share you what I got in a good price with real pearl. And this is silver. It says there silver here. So it's a good price, guys, and I really love it. It's a Akoya pearl, Japanese pearl is well known for their lustrous and round, perfectly round shaped pearls. So yeah, usually it is saltwater Akoya pearl, Japanese Akoya pearl. And to open this up, just have to press this clip here, this lever here, and then you just press and then it will open. Then you close it again like so, you press again, and then like that. So this is about, I don't know what's the size of the length of this, but online I guess this is about 17.5 or something. I will check, guys. We'll get my the first order that I got is original price in their listing, meaning there's no coupon code or there's no special discount or promo in their website, in their the seller's account. But this second one, when I ordered this, they are running a 5% discount coupon. So instead of 69, I paid only 63, something like that, or 64, something like that. Wait, what is that? Yeah, $65.55 plus tax. Yeah, so it has 5% coupon code and then free shipping. Can you imagine that, guys? So this is I think the overtone of this is pink, and this is the size from this starting point to this is about 17.5. Oh, it is 17.5 inches. Okay, and the first ones that I got has the same measurement as except for the pearl, the size of the pearl. This is very awesome, guys. Although maybe the 5% discount is the pouch. That's why they didn't put the pouch. I don't know if it is like that, but they have pretty closure, not just fish hook closure, and it has an extra small real Akoya pearl design here. Can you imagine that? It's so cute, guys. I really love it. I love it because it's really round. Most of the pearls that we can see here in our place in US, most of the pearl that on this value is really like freshwater pearls, rice or egg shape or semi-round. Most of the round pearls like this are $1,000 plus, except that this is 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold class. But it's okay. My important is that the pearl is nice and round, as you can see.